Hello, I'm Andrew Cushion from BC Calculus, and I'm going to teach you implicit differentiation. So, the major questions with implicit differentiation come about because you look at something that has a y and you say, how am I supposed to take the derivative with respect to y? Well, believe it or not, you already know how. Let's look at a real simple equation, probably one of the first rules that you ever learned, y equals x squared, and I ask you to take the derivative of it. What you're going to say is dy over dx equals 2x. Well, what you just did is you just took the derivative of y. Imagine if I said y equals x, you would say, oh, dy over dx equals 1. Well, this is what you've done here with dy over dx. If it was y squared, it would be 2y dy over dx. The only thing that you need to include to make it separate from the x and how you treat it is the dy over dx. Including that dy over dx means that you've taken the derivative. I mean, it's as simple. All of the rules apply, product rule, quotient rule, and what we're going to really see here is a lot of just understanding that the dy dx needs to be included and then in the end needs to be separated out. So, the first part of this equation, x squared, you already know how to do it, 2x. Plus 7xy. This is where it got at least tricky for me. Product rule still works. There's nothing different about it, except when you want to take the derivative of the y when you're doing the product rule, because it's the derivative of one side times the not derivative of the other, plus the derivative of the other side plus the not derivative of the first side, if you catch what I'm saying. When you want to take the derivative of the y, you just have to include the dy over dx, and that's the derivative. So it's plus 7y, we're going to take the derivative of the x bit first, and plus 7x dy over dx. That's simple. Plus y squared, not plus y squared actually, got confused, plus 2y dy over dx equals, what do you take when you take the derivative of the consonant? 0. That's simple. Okay, next step. Factoring. So, let's move all of the things that have dy over dx to one side and all the things that don't to the other side. So 7x dy over dx plus 2y dy over dx equals negative 2x minus 7y over 1. I hope that gives you a hint of what I'm about to do next, because trust me, this was revolutionary to me when I was learning it. I did not grasp this concept. Factor out the dy over dx. So then it's just dy over dx times 7x plus 2y. I mean, because that's what it is. It's distributive, So equals the negative 2x minus 7y, and then just divide both sides, plus 7x plus 2y, 7x plus 2y, and voila, your final answer, dy over dx equals, I think it was, I'm forgetting now, negative 2x plus 7y, not plus, minus 7y over 7x plus 2y. But, I mean, so this is the key. Understanding that the derivative of y is something that you already know. That's the key.